In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot platform using the app-natu.hubspot.com interface. HubSpot is a powerful tool used for marketing, sales, and customer service, and it's crucial to understand how to access its different features seamlessly. So, let's dive in and explore these sections together to ensure you're making the most of your HubSpot experience. Let's start by heading over to the user guide on the HubSpot platform. This guide is an excellent resource that will help you familiarize yourself with the entire interface. Once there, you'll want to click on CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and this area is pivotal for managing all your contacts, companies, deals, and tasks. It's essentially your command center for developing customer relationships and enhancing your sales pipeline. Next, click on the Marketing section. This area is all about helping you attract, engage, and delight your customers. Whether you're looking to set up email marketing, manage social media accounts, or optimize your content for search engines, this section has got you covered. It's a vital tool for driving inbound marketing success. After acquainting yourself with marketing, continue by clicking on Content. This section is where you can create and manage your website pages, blog posts, and landing pages. It's all about creating engaging, high-quality content that attracts and converts visitors. Remember, regularly updating your content can greatly improve your site's visibility and ranking. Moving on, click on Sales. In this section, you'll find all the tools you need to improve your sales process. From tracking deals, managing quotas, and accessing sales analytics, it's all right there. It's designed to empower your sales team to close more deals efficiently. Next up is Commerce. This area provides functionalities for managing your products and price books, and even setting up recurring revenue. Efficient commerce management allows you to streamline workflows and ensure a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. Then we have the Services section. HubSpot Service Hub is about enhancing your customer support experience. It allows you to track customer queries, manage tickets, and access support analytics, ensuring that your customers have the best possible experience whenever they reach out to you. Afterwards, click on Data Management. Here you can handle all aspects of your data, ensuring it is accurate, clean, and ready for analysis. Managing data effectively is key to making informed business decisions and strategizing your next moves. Let's now move to Automation. Automation is about making your processes more efficient by letting HubSpot handle repetitive tasks. Whether you want to automate email responses or set up complex workflows, automation is your go-to for saving time and lessening human errors. Finally, finish by clicking on Reporting. Reporting is where you gather insights into your performance. With detailed analytics and reports, you can assess what's working and what isn't across your marketing, sales, and service fronts. Understanding your data is crucial for making evidence-based decisions. By exploring these sections step by step, you'll be able to navigate HubSpot with confidence, ensuring you maximize the tool's potential to grow your business. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting!